So you've been given this triangle, and then you're told that another triangle is similar to the given triangle, where all the lengths have been reduced to 3/5. So this length was given to be 36, the hypotenuse 39. So you're asked to find the angle cos of z. So the angle z is right here, and then you're asked to find cos of z. So really you want to know this value here, cos of z. So ultimately you want to get this length divided by the hypotenuse of the small triangle. But the thing is, there are some properties of similar triangles that you need to know. When one triangle is similar to another, it means that this angle will be the same as this angle. This angle will be the same as this angle. All the lengths have been reduced to 3/5. So what that means is, if you want to know this length, then you have to get 36, cut it up into 5 equal pieces, and then get 3 pieces. So this length here is whatever value this is. But the point is that you want to find the value of cos of z. You want to find out cos of z. Well, cos of z is the same as cos of this angle here. Cos of the angle, so cos of z is actually the same as cos of w, the angle w. So rather than finding out this length and then divided by this length, you can just get this length divided by the hypotenuse. So really, it all boils down to you trying to figure out this length here. Let's call it a. If you can work out a, then cos of w, then cos of w is actually equals to, hang on, cos of w is actually equals to a divided by this hypotenuse, which is 39. So you finding out this length is actually the same as you getting a divided by 39, because cos of this is the same as cos of that, and cos of that is really a divided by 39. So it all boils down to you trying to figure out this length a. So use Pythagoras. So that will be, using Pythagoras, that will be 39 squared equals this length, equals a squared plus this length, which is 36 squared. When you square this, it will be, I've done it earlier on a calculator, it was this thing here, and then a squared, and then this thing squared, I did it on a calculator earlier, 1296, and then this, take away this, would be 225 equals a squared. So a equals 15 when you square root both sides. So what that means is, if you want to know cos of z, that's the same as cos of w. Well, cos of w is actually 15. Is actually 15 divided by the hypotenuse of 39. So this is your final answer. Okay.